everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and repost somebody's story in your Snapchat story. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all what you gotta do is simply go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Simply open it up, tap on this human icon given right there. Simply go ahead, tap on it. Here you will be able to get access to all of the stories, right? So even if you tap on any of the stories available, you can tap on this three dot and you won't be able to find a option called repost snap or anything. So what you gotta do is recording story. There is one thing that you have to remember: you can only repost a story that you are tagged into. As you can see, if I tap on this person's chat, here you can see in this person's chat that person have added something to their story and actually tagged me there. So I got a text right there in my chat box and I got an option called add to story. So here I will get this multiple options, right? So I can simply go ahead, tap on this one, which is actually like reposting there. So if I tap on this button over here, this will be the story, and if I tap on this next, this will simply be shared to my story right there. So yes guys, this is the limitation for it. You have to get tagged on somebody's story for you to repost that story to your Snapchat. So yeah, this is the way, and I hope this video was helpful, and I thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.